Priyanshi, what do you have to say?
I think when we used to talk also, we used to say that it's not that the minister is going to resign because that's not what happens in this government. So it's truly historic and it is unbelievable that such a senior minister of the government has actually resigned because of the youth's pressure. So the youth has actually shown that they still have the power to get the government to bow down, and the government has also shown that they're still listening to the people. So I think it's a win-win situation for both parties.
No, I would just say that it's a tipping point also for everybody sitting in their echo chambers because up till now nobody really sort of recognized the shift that is happening, that there is a simmering kind of anger, frustration, not just with the government but with the media and with all so-called traditional structures. So that now you are seeing from people from within the traditional structures trying to adapt. You just had Prime Minister Modi make that vertical reel. So now I think it's a tipping point in that sense also that they have realized that they can't just sit in their echo chambers and kind of ignore everything that is happening. There was a simmering anger and it has kind of burst out this way. So
Would you also like to comment on the role of mainstream media? Because as per my observation, I think that the fourth pillar has just turned into a support system for the first pillar.
No, I think after this protest, especially all of us should change the definition of mainstream media. What is mainstream? Mainstream media, quote unquote, TV channels blocked this protest. They did not show this protest. That doesn't mean that this protest was not shown. That doesn't mean that people didn't get to know about it. There were independent journalists, so many like us, who made this protest scene and who made this protest reach millions of people. So this protest just shows us that mainstream media, quote unquote, the TV channels are not required anymore to make an issue an issue. The definition of mainstream has changed. It has gone from horizontal to vertical, and I think that's.
Yeah, I think I echo everything that she said that we need to stop calling TV channels mainstream media. Though I have to say that towards the later stages of the protest, you had many senior anchors come here not because they thought that, oh, we were ignoring this for so long and we need to now do this, but because they realized that they are being rendered irrelevant. So nobody wants to be cornered into the realm of irrelevance. So
I think relevance has become the biggest component of reality, especially for the media also.
Yes. So they realize that we don't want to be rendered irrelevant, which is why we now need to go and speak to people here and just see what's happening. So that's a reality check for them, for sure.